In this video, we're going to be going over how to hide your Instagram account category on your profile. So first step, if you want to hide this, or even if you want to change this or create this, is you need to make sure you either have a business profile or a creator profile. And we have videos on both of those, so you can search them on the channel and you'll find them. So if you want to change this category, all you have to do is go over to your profile. So right now I'm on my profile. I click the button in the bottom right. And from here, what I'm going to do is tap where it says edit profile right under my description of the page. So I click edit profile here. And then I'm going to scroll down until I see something that says category here. Now, where it says category, you can see it says digital creator. I can click on that. And you can see the toggle at the top where it says display on profile or not. If I were to have it display on the profile and I go back out of these settings and let it refresh, you're going to see right under the name up here, it says digital creator. So if I wanted to change that, I'm going to click edit profile. Same thing, we're going down to category and we're going to toggle off display on profile and it will no longer show. You can also change your category and search for different categories throughout here. There's not a ton, but if you have something that fits better, you can create that here. Just click done at the top when you're finished, and then it should update and you see we no longer have that digital category, digital creator at the top of the page. So that's how you can remove this or change it on your profile.